What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how to play Patches by Steven Wilson Jr. You need a capo on the first fret. Chords for this song is a C, add 9, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 3, 5th string down, a G, 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3, an E minor 7, 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 3. You can play a regular E minor if you want. And there's a D, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2, 4th string down. Alright, so let me go ahead and play some of it for you real quick. Starts on the G chord. Alright, so let me show you that intro first. So all it is down strums, and you're going to start on the G chord. Alright, and kind of focus on the thicker strings. Alright, then you're going to go to C add 9, back to G, C, G, C, G. Alright, and that's your intro, just G, C, G, back and forth until the verse starts. Now let me do it with it, and so I'm in time and all that. One time, and then I'll show you the verse. Hold up. But it's just down strums, alright? So it starts on the G. Alright, and then the verse is going to start right here on a C. Wait, hold on. I think, hold up. Yeah, the verse starts on a C, but let me tell you something real quick. I don't want to confuse y'all, but let me tell you something. So when you're doing any strumming pattern, you don't have to, don't let strumming patterns, you know, make you, don't let it confuse you or anything. As long as you're in time, that's cool. I mean, strumming patterns aren't as important as a lot of people make it out to be. I'm just being honest with you, but if you can just do down strums through this whole song if you want, and that would be straight. But you can throw a down up in there when you're switching the chords like this. So the way I would play that intro I just finished showing you would be like this. G, C, G, C, G. See what I'm saying? They're like a down up when you're changing the chords. But anyway, I just want to let y'all know, strumming patterns aren't that important. So your verse right here, let me play a little bit of it with it real quick. Alright, so that was your first verse, and what that is, it starts on a C. Sorry, let me start over. Starts on a C, G, hold up, right, sorry, I had to get the timing right. So your verse goes C, G, C, G, C, G, E minor, D. All right, you're just gonna do that 2 times before your chorus. C, G, C, G, C, G, E minor, D. Alright, you're just going to do that twice before your chorus. Now let me play it with it and then I'll show you the chorus real quick. The chorus is real similar to that. Alright, here we go. Verse 1. C, G, C, G, C, G, E minor, D, C, G, C, G, C, G, E minor, D. Alright, and then the chorus starts right here on a C add 9. And it's very similar to that, it's just a little different. But let me play it with it first, hold on. So this will be your first chorus right here I'm fixing to play. Alright, so that was your first chorus. I think all of them are the same, but anyway, your chorus is a little different. Your chorus goes, I'm not going to confuse you with all the numbers and try to explain why it's different. I'm just going to show you straight up. The chorus is C, G, C, G, E minor, D. Alright, and then C, G, E minor, D, C, G, E minor, D. Alright, and that was the whole chorus right there. So all together, C, G, C, G, E minor, D, C, G, C, G, E minor, D, C, G, E minor, D. Alright, that was the chorus. After the chorus, before your next verse starts, you're going to do something. Let me remind myself. Hold up. Alright, before your next verse starts, after that first chorus, you're just going to go C, G, C, G. Just like in the intro, alright? And then your next verse will start right here. But let me do that all together. So after the chorus, you're just going to do this before your next verse. C, next verse will start right here, and I believe it's just like the first one, but let me make sure. Yeah, so your second verse is just like the first verse. And let me see if the second chorus is just like the first one. I think it is. Yeah, so your second chorus is just like the first one, and then after that, you're going to do like you did after that first chorus, like I just did. C, G, C, G. Alright, and then there's going to be a bridge, and it's a little different. Let me remind myself on it. Hold up. Alright, so after that second chorus, there's going to be a little bridge, and it's a little different than the verses. Excuse me, it's going to go C. All it is, you're not going to go to the D chord at the beginning. So you're going to be coming from the E minor. Instead of going to D, you're going to go to G, alright? And that's the only difference. So it'll be like this, C, G, C, go into your last chorus, and it's just like the other choruses, except for it's just going to start off with down strums. Then you'll start strumming. Alright, so now that I show you that, let me play it with it, and then I think that's it for real. So this is your bridge after your second chorus. Alright, here we go, right here, bridge, C, G, C, G, E minor, G, C, G, So right there, I forgot about that part. At the end of your last chorus, you're gonna do this 3 times. C, G, E minor, D. C, G, E minor, D. C, G, E minor, D. Alright, and then you're gonna do an outro just like the intro. C, I think that's the end of it. Let me see. Yep. So then that'll be the end of the song after you do that outro, just like the intro. Anyway, that is on what's patches. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Till next time, gone.